Web development is the process of building websites and web applications. The two main parts are front-end and back-end development. Front-end development is about designing and building what users see on a website. The three main tools for front-end development are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is the structure of a web page like the walls of a house. CSS is the design and styling like paint and decorations. JavaScript adds interactivity like turning on lights or using appliances. CSS frameworks like Bootstrap and Tailwind make styling easier and more efficient. JavaScript libraries like React make developing interactive features easier and more efficient to build. Backend development is what powers a website behind the scenes. It handles data, user requests, and responses. The key parts of backend development are databases, servers, and backend technologies. Databases store and manage website information. Servers process requests from users. For example, when you submit a form, the server saves the data and sends a response. Backend technologies control how data is handled. Popular ones include Node.js, which uses JavaScript server-side, Django, which makes managing data and security easier, PHP, a server-side scripting language best known for powering WordPress. Full-stack developers work on both front-end and back-end. Popular full-stack setups include Mern, which uses JavaScript with MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js, and LAMP, which uses Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP, which is common for traditional websites. To become an effective web developer, you must use a variety of tools. Code editors like Visual Studio Code help you write and organize code. Browser tools are built-in tools in browsers like Chrome and Firefox used to inspect and fix websites. Deployment platforms are services used to put websites online. GitHub Pages is great for simple websites like static portfolio sites. Netlify and Render can be used for hosting full-stack web applications like a blogging platform where users can create, edit, update, and comment on posts. Now it's your turn. Start by creating basic websites with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then explore backend and full stack development. For more tutorials, check out the links in the description. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.